Alright, in this video we are going to use our TI-Nspire to try to solve a system of linear equations by graphing. So we've already solved for y, so what we're going to do is, I'm on a graph page, so the way you get a graph page is doc, and then insert, and then graph, so like that. Now you can see I'm on the second graph page. So I've already solved for y. So what I do is I just kind of enter that here. So the first thing is, so I did control and then division to get this nice template for a fraction. So I don't have to mess around with parentheses really. So it's 50 minus 2x, and then I want to divide that by 5. And I want to press enter, and the line will show up. But you can see that I'm only seeing a very tiny part of it. So that's going to be an issue. But I want to enter another equation, so I'm going to hit tab. And when I hit tab, again, I need the fraction, so that's control and then division. And I'm going to do 96 minus 3x, and then I want to go over -4. Okay, so that's what I want to graph. I'm going to hit enter, and I don't even see that. So what I want to do now is I need to get a window that will work. So if I do menu and go down to option 4, that is window, and I could do settings, but I have no idea what to do. So what I'm going to choose is to zoom out. And I'm going to pick this as my center. So just click that. I still don't see it. Click it again. I kind of see it. I'm going to click one more time. And then press escape to get out of that tool. So here is the intersection. I kind of want a better picture of that. So what I'll do now, and I do this a lot, I zoom out and then I go back into zoom and I choose zoom box, which is option 2. And what this does is you're going to actually draw a box. So I'm going to click one corner, and then I'm going to drag to the second corner. And when I release this, when I let go, it's going to zoom in just on the rectangle that I created on the screen. So I'm going to let go, and there you go. You can see it. And I could do it again. It's still active. And as long as this little thing up here in the top corner is there, that's going to happen. So I'm going to escape to close the tool. So I escape. You can also click and drag these to get them out of the way. So what I want to do now is find the intersection. So menu, and I'm going to go down to option 6 for analyze graph, and option 4 for intersection. And lower bound means be to the left of the intersection. So I'm going to click, and then I have to go to an upper bound, which means be to the right. And you can see as soon as I get there, it gives me the intersection. And I click one more time, and now that point is there, and I'm good to go. So that's actually my solution, is 29.565 comma negative 1.826, but that's only an approximation because I had to round. I have to pick somewhere to round, but that's what I would go with. If you're not seeing as many decimals as I'm seeing, by the way, if you press menu and go to option 9 for settings, I have float 6. The default is actually, I think, float 3, which is not really enough. So I like to set it to float 6, press enter, and then I like to go down and make it the default. And it'll tell you it's going to do this for everything, but I always press OK. And then it shows you lots of decimals, which is good. But anyway, that's how you can solve a system on your TI-Nspire by graphing. So I hope you found this helpful, and good luck.